In this blog, I am going to evaluate whether human digital augmentation is a positive or negative development for humanity, and what problems may arise when humans use digital augmentation and the solutions that could encourage humans to use digital augmentation properly. Using the spectrum of augmentation, I believe that the closer you are to transhuman augmentation, it becomes more acceptable to augmentate your body. Being at the therapeutic augmentation stage of the spectrum, which involves medical augmentation, is an acceptable way to augmentate your body, as this type of augmentation is for people that need it to improve their bodies. I also believe that humans can augmentate their bodies voluntarily, but only to a certain extent, such as cosmetic surgery. However, I feel that the closer you are to get to the other end of the spectrum, becoming more post-human has a negative impact on digital augmentation. The reasons for this is that humans can take digital augmentation too far. I feel that humans were made how they were supposed to be. An example of negative digital augmentation would be some digital dissenters. A woman named Noon Ribas can feel every earthquake that takes place on Earth. She has augmented her body with a sensor that was implanted in her arm. I feel that this has taken digital augmentation too far. There are many problems with digital centres, as Maury explains using the uncanny valley. The uncanny valley is the proper relation between the human likeliness of entity and the perceiver's affinity for it. Humans start to like something that improves, such as augmentating a human body to become transhuman. However, when it starts to become more human-like, such as a robot, we start to freak out until it improves and starts to become better. We tend to start liking it again. A great way to manage human digital augmentation is using the Human X Design Ethical Framework. This is a great way to stop humans abusing digital augmentation. The Human X Design have started to map out an ethical framework of augmented humans. They have presented a tool of navigating the ethical questions that emerge around human augmentation and whether it is ethically right for what they want to do to their bodies. This is a positive way to help reduce the unnecessary way of augmentating human bodies. This should be taken into consideration and assessed before anyone augmentates their bodies. Overall, I think that digital human augmentation should only be used when absolutely necessary, such as using medical augmentation for someone who needs it that will improve the use of their daily life. However, I do think that when humans want to digitally augmentate their bodies, they should use the Human X Design ethical framework to determine whether their augmentation that they wish to have is good for humanity. Thanks for listening.